Alright guys, this is going to be the toothpick trick, so I hope you enjoy. Just a good spot. Right, so guys, look, I've got no toothpick. So as you can see, whoops, not part of the idea. So what you're going to need is you're going to get that sellotape. You're going to sellotape the toothpick to the back of your hand, your thumb, and the way to distract you, you're going to go like that. But you need your other fingers to cover this because the audience see that, they'll know what you're doing. So don't take credit off me, guys. It's a really easy thing. It'll take you about 10 seconds just to do all that. Don't take credit off me. I saw it on YouTube, so really don't take credit. I would appreciate it, but just don't take really good credit. Okay, I hope you enjoy, guys. Subscribe. Goodbye.